Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you're new. And in today's video I am going to do a food item review. It's this Korean ramen noodle. It's called jjajangmyeon, something like that. And I have been seeing this in a lot of Korean dramas lately and I was very into this. I wanted to try it, so I ordered this from Amazon. I just ordered a packet because I had to make sure if I like it or not. So I'm gonna make this. I'll make this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you're new. And in today's video I am going to do a food product review. I'll show you which food I'm gonna review right now. So I'm gonna review this Korean noodles. This is hot chicken flavor ramen noodle. This is called jjajangmyeon and I have been watching a lot of Korean dramas on Netflix, so I was very amazed by that, and I really wanted to try one because all over the internet and everywhere I have seen these noodles. These are basically black bean noodles if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. I got this from Amazon. It only retailed for 150 rupees. So I'm gonna make it and I'll just taste it and I'll tell you guys how this was. This is horrible, but yeah, I just wanted to do this since this is quite interesting and it's a first time for me, so I wanted to record it. So without any further ado, let's start cooking. I'm in my kitchen and the directions for cooking this noodle is given. I just have to boil the noodles and then add the flavors that are there over here. And yeah, it's pretty easy, so I'll just start with that. So right now my water is boiling. I have turned on the gas and this is how the noodle looks. This is pretty thick compared to Maggi or Top Ramen. They also have 2 packets of spices in this, and these are supposed to be added later on. So I'm going to wait until the water boils and then I'll make the noodles. And also I have seen the Koreans eat poached egg with the jjajangmyeon ramen noodles. So I'm gonna make that too and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, my cooking is done. My jjajangmyeon is ready. The jjajangmyeon or ramen noodles, whatever you want to call it. It's ready and it looks pretty decent. And I have gotten a poached egg as well, but it is not that decent. Here is how my food looks. This is how the noodles look, and I know my poached egg is not that great, but the noodles look great. This is how I have seen them on Instagram. So I'm gonna do a taste test now and review it. So I am about to taste it now and I feel that it is quite spicy. So if I'll just stop talking and start digging in. I like it. This is quite nice, but this is spicy. Like I can eat spicy food. Like I can totally eat green chilies and spicy food, like Indian spicy food, but this is quite spicy. If you cannot eat Indian spicy food, do not ever think to try this. But if you can eat spicy food, then great. This is great. I really like the taste. I have seen a lot of food reviewers saying that it doesn't match the Indian food, it doesn't match the Indian taste at all, but I don't think it's very different from what we call the Indian Chinese, but this has definitely got some different flavors that I have never tasted before. But this is spicy and I love it, and yeah, I'm gonna eat it and I liked it. I really liked it. The description of the product will be the link to the product will be given on my description box. I really liked it. if you guys like spicy food, and if you guys want to try Korean food, do give it a try. It's good. It's really good. I really liked it. Not a lot of products we get on Amazon that delivers to India that are Korean, but this is one of them, and I really like this ramen and ramyeon and I really like this ramyeon. If you want me to try others, I can review them as well. Because I'm going to try them as well, because I like spicy food and I really liked it. I can't wait to eat more. And yeah, this is pretty good. I really liked it, like seriously. I wish I had some chicken at home so that I could have added more, because you know how the preservatives work. They give you very little veggies and all that, like jo bhi hai, atta noodles maybe. But I really liked it. I really liked them. I enjoyed eating this, and I'm gonna order some more, and I'm very happy that it tasted nice, because I am very much fascinated with the Korean culture. So yeah, I am happy it turned out this way. So I'll quickly finish this while watching some K-dramas, and then I'll come back to speak to you about the serving and everything. So guys, I have completed eating but my nose literally started running due to the spice that it had, and it was very flavorful and very spicy. But after a point you get used to the spices and it feels really nice, and the serving was pretty big. I am stuffed like till here. I cannot have dinner anymore. I do not have the ability to have dinner anymore, and it's already 8 p.m. So yeah, this is how my plate looks right now. I have just eaten everything that was there, and I really liked it, and I would love to try some more noodles from Amazon that they had. And if you guys like this video, and if you guys enjoyed seeing me eating jjajangmyeon, then please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you super soon. And yeah, this was kind of different for me as well, but I hope this was I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, bye guys.